Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to draw perfect circles. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And this is actually going to be super easy and simple. So when you click on your pencil, all you need to do is click on the brushes page, and then you'll see that there is perfect circles. Like it just draws in a perfect circle. It's a line. But if you just click, it'll do a circle. Now, if you want it to be a circle with a perfect outline, I suppose you could just click, make the brush slightly smaller, and then maybe change the color you want to do, and then click. Maybe just if you line it up after that, so on and so forth. And that's going to be how you draw perfect circles on GIMP. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you.